Welcome to 3191 Mission, Apartment A. This is one of 3 totally remodeled upper level apartments available for lease. This is a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath. And this, like all of them, has a combination common space, sort of a great room with the kitchen and living area combined. This one has a view up towards the hills and on to Mission Street. And this is a super convenient location right by the 24th Street bar, the world famous El Rio bar, and a lot of fun stuff in the area. You need to be a little creative, but you have a nice living space. Like everything in here, the appliances are all new. You have a LG side-by-side front beverage service refrigerator, a Samsung dishwasher, chocolate cabinets, a gas range with hood. It's also stainless. That's just the packing film that keeps it blue. There's a white quartz countertop with a subway tile backsplash and a full sink with disposal and retractable faucet. There's recessed lighting throughout. The first of the 4 bedrooms in here is large, and it has a walk-in closet. The second bedroom is here, so 4 bedrooms, 2 baths. This bedroom also has the views up towards the hills, and it has a side-by-side mirrored closet door. Both baths are full and hall baths, a marble look, and there's some kind of skylight here. And we have a Cesar stone countertop and a nice vanity. The second full bath, much like the first. And then down this little hall, there's 2 smaller bedrooms. Neither has a closet. Small, but not too small. If you're interested in leasing 3191 Mission, either apartment A, B, or C, visit billharkins.com or call 415-305-5311. Thank you.